Da, și facem un test 2210 cu lavalierea de la Sennheiser mke40 cu Sennheiserul G3. G3 tragem în Black Magic, tragem în birou, în fața monitoarelor. Bun, am pus boia la piept, este pe lavalieră de piept, este fără noise reduction, deci noi în acest moment tragem fără noise reduction la piept, cu lavalieră de piept. Acum am activat noise reduction-ul și din câte am eu cunoștință, noise reduction-ul este pe low. Deci facem test cu noise reduction pe low. Acum suntem cu microfonul, facem test cu microfonul handheld și facem test să vedem cum se aude. Mie mi se pare că se aude foarte bine. Test cu microfonul de mână.
So here are my conclusion, guys. This mic, it's unbelievable. I didn't expect this quality. I got to be sincere with you. I expected less. But when BOYA get in touch with us and wanted to make the video, I had before BOYA products, so I knew the quality. And I know that for, let's say, medium budget or even low budget, you can get a good quality product. And this is a good quality product. It's a good plastic. The sound is very, very good. It will not beat a Sennheiser. But what's the price of a Sennheiser? And the thought that you will have these dimensions. Look, it's small. It's easy to use. You have an application which you can control this. Settings with the noise reduction, weak, strong, on, off. And you will have also a handheld mic, a table mic, 4-in-1, you know, and 2 lavaliers for your shirt. It's unbelievable. You can use 2 persons at once to record. The sponges are good, and BOYA sent us some additional sponges. You can check them out. I think they are optional. You can see this if you want to buy. You have a blue one, a red one, and a yellow one that are also inscripted with BOYA logo, which I think is very cool. And you will have also some other products. You can check them out on their website. But until then, I recommend you this set, this microphone, these lavaliers, that I think it's an unbeatable price. I wish BOYA will make this button a mute button or some kind of setting to change from the noise cancellation for one pressing. For example, to mute this microphone. If you want to take an interview and you want to mute this, a click and you can mute. And if they can, to the future, to put an extender handle to this mic.